Imagine a world lost in chaos, a world where tribes were divided by endless wars, where the strong ruled the weak and justice was almost forgotten. Now imagine a message so powerful that it would unite millions of people across continents and centuries. This is the story of the rise of Islam and how one man from the deserts of Arabia changed the course of human history forever. Over 1,400 years ago, the Arabian Peninsula was a land of harsh deserts and powerful tribes. Society was divided. Tribal loyalty meant everything. Wars could last generations over the smallest disputes. Many people worshipped idols, hundreds of them, placed inside the Kaaba in the city of Mecca. Justice was rare. The weak were often ignored. Women had few rights. The powerful controlled society. It was a time historians often call the Age of Ignorance. But in the middle of this world, something extraordinary was about to begin. In the city of Mecca, a man known for his honesty and character lived among his people. His name was Muhammad. People called him Al-Amin, the trustworthy. He was respected by his community, but he often withdrew from society to reflect and pray. Then, one night, everything changed. While meditating in a cave on Mount Hira, he received the first revelation from God. The message was simple, yet powerful. There is only one God. Worship Him alone. Stand for justice. Care for the poor. And live a life of truth. This message would become the foundation of Islam. But the message did not come without consequences. The leaders of Mecca feared change. Islam challenged their power, their traditions, and the idol-based economy surrounding the Kaaba. Followers of the new faith were mocked, persecuted, and sometimes tortured, yet the believers remained firm. Their faith gave them strength. Slowly but steadily, the message spread. As persecution grew stronger, the Prophet and his followers migrated to the city of Medina. This journey became known as the Hijra, a turning point in Islamic history. In Medina, a new kind of society began to emerge, a community built not on tribal divisions, but on faith, justice, and unity. For the first time, Muslims practiced their religion freely. And from this small community, the message of Islam began spreading beyond Arabia. Within just a few decades, Islam spread across vast regions of the world. But the spread of Islam was not only about territory, it was about ideas. Ideas of justice, ideas of equality, ideas that all human beings, rich or poor, powerful or weak, stand equal before God. Even today, the symbol of that unity can be seen every year in Mecca. Millions of Muslims gather together during pilgrimage, wearing simple white garments. No status, no race, no wealth, just humanity standing together in worship of one God, Allah. What began as a message shared quietly in the deserts of Arabia would eventually transform civilizations, cultures, and billions of lives. The rise of Islam is more than a historical story. It is the story of faith, resilience, and a message that continues to shape the world today. And for over 1,400 years, that message still echoes across the globe.